So we're down here in Brockley in southeast London. This is another project starting this morning. Scaffolders are coming in a couple of hours to put the scaffolding up. So what we're going to be doing on this project is brick cleaning all the brickwork on all of the property. So quite a big job this one, so just give you a little walk around, show you what we're doing. So all of the brickwork from this downpipe area, from gutter level all the way down to plinth level, brick cleaning all of the brickwork. Going to be cutting out and replacing all the damaged bricks. There's quite a lot of bricks to replace on this property. So it goes all the way around the front here. So all the way around the front. What else we're doing on here is all the decoration work, so getting all the old flaky paint off all the stonework, screwing up all the window sills. There's lots of repair work to do underneath. The window sills have been badly repaired in the past. They've thick cement put on underneath, as you can see there. So again, a lot of bad brick repairs that have been done in the past. Spoiled bricks all need cutting out and replacing. Then it goes all the way around here as well. Again, bad brick repairs that have been done in the past. That's why we don't do face brick repairs. Colour tone them up because they just never last. Real bad workmanship that. So just cut the whole brick out properly and put a new brick in, and then it returns all the way around to here. And this is all being done in a penny roll finish, and it goes right round to that corner there. So this is going to be a real big transformation. Once the lads get here next week or later part of this week and start getting this transformed to its former glory. So like I say, scaffolders are coming this morning, and then we'll get here later part of this week and get stuck into this one and totally transform this back to its former glory. So if you've got any questions, we'd like a free quotation for any of our services that we offer, please give us a call, get in contact, and we'd be more than happy to assist you with any further inquiries you do have. Thank you very much. So we're down here in Brockley. This is just an update video of the project we're currently working on for around about the last week and a half. So everything's going really well. Lads have made good progress so far. So I'll just give you a little walk around, show you how we're getting on. So all of the brickwork has been cleaned in areas. All of the flat stuff has all been brick cleaned now. We've got all of the detailed brickwork to rub down by hand and start cleaning. Lots of bricks to cut out and replace. It was all badly done in sand and cement brick repairs, just like that there, for example. As said numerous times, this is why we don't do brick repairs. They never last, and they just cause more damage to the fabric of the house. So what we do is just cut each individual brick out and replace them properly with a matching imperial brick. Got some lead work to do over this little porch roof there, so the roof is going to come out and replace that flashband with a proper lead flashing. Change all of this concrete fillet into a nice step flashing as well. A lot of bricks that have spoiling and deteriorating in areas. Again, just bad brick repairs everywhere. Lads have started getting the paint off all of the window sills, so we're going to repair all of the window sills, get the rest of the paint off, start getting all the paint off the core balls, getting everything, all the window heads. The lads have started getting the paint off of all of the window heads, so we'll make good to all of the cracks and damage there and start repairing all of that. So I just sanded down all of the detailed bricks along here, so that's looking good. Again, brick repairs. I think there's going to be about 300-400 bricks to replace on this house, and then all going to be penny roll pointed in natural lime mortar. Yeah, so it goes all the way down here. Let's have a little look down here. So the lads are getting on down there. Yeah, I mean, again, I've got a problem with these brickwork up now, and that's the reason why someone's brick repaired these. They didn't want to prop everything up and cut it out properly, so they've just cut the bricks back and repaired them. So we're going to make sure this is done properly. Look at all of this here. Customer bought the house last year. Surveyor unfortunately didn't let the customer know the damage of the brickwork, which you're really unhappy about from the surveyor. So when you are having your looking at buying a house, just make sure the surveyor does a thorough job, making sure all of the building is repointed in the right materials, checking out for bad brick repairs and situations like that. So they're in discussion now with the surveyor as to why none of this was flagged up on the surveying report. Upstairs, let's have a look up here. Just same sort of thing again. The lads are chalking up all of the bad bricks, and then we let the customer know how many bricks we're looking at replacing. So it's all been cleaned now, all of the brickwork. All of these rotten bricks there will be replaced, just all deteriorated again. Yeah, but so far so good. Everything's coming along well. This is going to look really nice when this is finished. All the decoration work, all the new pointing going in, it's going to really set it off. We'll do all of the joints all around the windows, all of the collar joints. They'll all be done as well. We're going to look at doing some work to the main roof as well. While we've got the scaffolding up, some roof work to be done on the chimney stack. Looking at this guttering as well, so quite a few leaks on the old cast iron and guttering in areas as well. So yeah, still lots and lots to do. Set the old downpipe off yesterday there, so clean all of this up, get all of this brickwork one neutral colour. Like I say, carrying on cutting out these bricks, and then we'll start the repointing and show you some more update once that's all underway. So if you've got any questions, we'd like a free quotation for any services that we offer, please give us a call, get in contact, and we'll be more than happy to assist you with any further inquiries. Thank you very much. So you join me back down here in Brockley. This is just an update video of our project we've been currently working on for around about the last 3.5 to 4 weeks. So I'll give you a little rundown of everything that's been going on here. So we cleaned all of the brickwork back to its natural colour, cut out and replaced around about 400 bricks in total. Been repointing all of the brickwork in natural lime mortar in a penny roll finish. I'll give you a walk around and show you how everything's looking. So this job is coming out absolutely beautiful. The customers are so happy with how everything's coming out so far. So all of the brickwork, like I say, repointing in a penny roll style. What else we've done is burnt all of the paint off all of the stonework on all of the stonework, put nice new drip moulds in underneath all of the window sills, face filled all of the stonework, all of the window sills, all of the corbels nice and smooth, all of the window heads, literally burnt the paint off of absolutely everything. Got some fillets to put on the moulded brickwork along now. Customers changing all of the lead work on all of the bays here, so we put a nice new step flashing in there. New guttering we're going to do across the bays there. Show you around this corner as well. All of the penny roll all the way through there. Probably the biggest penny roll job we've probably ever done on here. This property was suffering from so much damp, deterioration bricks, so it's all looking like it's all coming together now. I'll show you a little walk around this section here. Customers are really excited to get the scaffolding down on this one so it can all be seen in its glory. Just see a close up of how all the pointing looks. All around here has all been done as well. All of the way up there. I'll go upstairs and show you that in a minute. All around this section here. All right round into that corner. All the bricks have all been cleaned on the return there as well. All the seals again up here all been restored. All of the window heads, all the paints all been burnt off of there. can see the detail in the penny roll. It's really, really good as always. Right, let's go up to the top elevation. Lads done the archwork at the weekend. It's really setting it off now, all the work above the front door. Right, let's get upstairs, show you upstairs. And a lovely detail on all of the moulded bricks all of the way through there. So we've got to do some restoration to all of the stucco on here. It's really badly blown, but we're going to do the guttering, change all the guttering and fascia first. Probably going to loosen some more of this. Then we're going to have to restore all of the stucco work up the top there. Same sort of thing with the penny roll pointing all the way through here. A lot of pointing being done on here. Right, show you over this section. So what we're going to do, get the rest of the pointing finished in the next couple of days, then the roofers will come in, start doing all of the roof work, and then we'll come back once all of the roof work's done and start the decoration work and the stucco work. Bit of work to do on the plinth downstairs as well, put some air bricks in, and that'll be job done. Yeah, really happy. Lads have done a really good job on this. Attention to detail is fantastic as always. I think we're looking at doing some work up on the chimney stacks there as well. So far so good. Can't wait to get the scaffolding down on this. Going to look really, really good right on the corner of the road there as well. So yeah, just an update of this project we're currently working on. So if you've got any questions, or you'd like a free quotation for any of our services that we offer, please give us a call, get in contact, and we're more than happy to assist you with any further inquiries you do have. Thank you very much. So we're down here in Brockley in southeast London. This is our brick restoration project we was working on at the beginning of the year. Haven't had a chance to video it yet, so I thought as I was in the area I'll pop by and show you how it all looks. So what we did on this project was brick cleaned all of the brickwork on the whole building, cut and replaced all of the damaged bricks. I think there was around about 300 bricks in total. Stripped all of the paint off all of the stonework, burnt it all off. Squared up all of the stonework, made everything nice and sharp with all drip moulds in underneath all of the window sills. See how everything looks there, looks perfect. Then what we did was repointed all of the brickwork in natural lime mortar in a penny roll finish. So give you a close up of how that looks. Customers just had a new downpipe, cast iron downpipe fitted. So what we're down here to do now, we took the old plinth off the base of the property. We're letting that dry out now over the summer because I was getting quite a lot of damp low level, and then we're going to come back and try and restore this brickwork here and have a lower plinth going all the way around the base of the property. I'll just show you around the building as well. Looks absolutely beautiful the way this project's come out. Customers are really happy. I mean, the penny roll style pointing is done to the highest standard. You see quite a lot of penny roll on social media now. Unfortunately, a lot of it does look pretty rough, so you've got to make sure when you're getting your penny roll quotes, you're coming to look at other penny roll jobs and seeing the quality of what we're offering and what other companies are offering. So let me just show you around this elevation here as well. So the whole house penny roll pointed the whole way through. New downpipes, gutters, soffits on here. Just the customers also had new lead work done with an Eternit slate, new roof on there, all new downpipes matching there, all decoration work to all of the timber. I'll just try and zoom in a bit closer on some of this. This property looks absolutely stunning now. Just show you around this corner here as well. So hopefully once all of this low level brickwork's dried out, then we can do something here with this plinth, because customers dying for us now to finish it all off and do something there for them. But again, all of the moulded detail brickwork all restored all the way through there, and then the same sort of thing around here as well. Penny roll pointed all the way through. So I know next door now are desperate for us to come and do their house. Gave them a quote, so they're looking at booking that in early new year with us. But in person, in the flesh, this looks absolutely incredible. Customers are really happy with how everything came out once again, and it's just a stunning property now brought back to its former glory. So if you do like the look of this project, as always, please give us a call, get in contact, and we'll be more than happy to assist you with any further inquiries that you do have. Thank you very much.